So today we'll start with a very simple dip, a Mediterranean dip called hummus. It's relatively simple in terms of ingredients, of course, and even in making. So we have lemon, we'll have to juice it, garlic, peeled garlic, salt, overboiled chickpeas. It's imperative that they are overboiled because the mushiness is required so that they can be blended properly in the mixing. Tahini paste, it's called tahina. It's white sesame paste basically in olive oil, extra virgin olive oil and ice water. The brands I've used are of my own choice. You are free to use any brand you want to. So let's begin. So as you can see, I'm blending chickpeas, tahina paste and garlic cloves. Use very little garlic because a lot of people are not comfortable with the pungent smell of garlic. So initially I would suggest you use little. You can increase them if you want based on your choice. Now I'll add just very simple some ice water. Now we'll blend. After the first phase of blending, we have a rather thick mixture. So we'll thin it down further with little ice water and olive oil. So this is our resultant mixture. Okay. So basically this is hummus. You have to make sure that you do not blend it too smooth. You have to get that little bit of chickpeas on it. So now we add the seasoning, salt, according to taste. You can alter it as you want. Juice of 1 lemon. I'm using one. The Mediterraneans, or rather the Middle East people, they have it very sour, so they add more lemon. And you then mix it. Well, finally, just need to level it a bit and add olive oil over it. This will ensure that a layer doesn't form. A solid layer will form if you do not add olive oil to it. And trust me, you do not want that. Trust me. It will, spoil your entire lot of hummus. So this is basically a barrier in case you are storing in the refrigerator. So there we have hummus. It's simple. You can have it with french fries, roasted potato wedges, chicken tikka, chicken tangdi kebab. It will taste as awesome, trust me. You can have it with nachos, you can have it with those sugar-free crackers you find. And what else? Well, olives. You can add olives to it. You can add zeera to it, cumin if you want. You can add boiled beetroot paste to it. You can add blanched spinach puree to it. Whichever flavor you want, you can give it. You want to make it spicy, add harissa, add red chilies, add paprika. So it's a very versatile dip. So I've got crackers and nachos both with me. आप fries के साथ खाओ भाई. I'm on a diet. Sorry. So that's it. So let's taste. How's it? आप भी करो, घर पे बनाओ, खाओ. मुझे तो पता है, मैंने 10 बार बनाया हुआ है. Okay, bye.